Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku with 4 stars in today's edition of today's newspaper, Monday, May the 10th, 2021. The second Sudoku is a 4-star Sudoku, and this will be number 2769. Alright, before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24. I've already counted. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Which number shall I pick? How about the 4? 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Alright. How about 2, 5, okay. 5. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then 1. Let me scan. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3, yes. In this big square, we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in this row. 3 in one of those two boxes in this row below. So the last row, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. 5, 6. Then. I cannot continue with the 3. How about the number in this big square? 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number, 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in this row, so no 1 and a 5 in these two boxes. The 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes. 1 and 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, so we have a 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 1. I need to wait. How about those two numbers in this big square? The 2 is missing and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. How about 6? 5 in this column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 5 should be there or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. All right. All right. All right. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. All right, 6, 6. 6, 6, 6, and I cannot continue with the 6. I need more information. Okay. How about the 2 in this column? The 2 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Okay, and now I cannot continue with the 2. 2, 2. 2, 2. We have a pair. Yeah. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in the last row, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. Same story with the 6, 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 could be here, could be there. We have a pair, 2 and a 6. So the other pair in this row should be for the numbers 9 and 7 are missing. 9 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. I need more information. Yes. 9 and a 7. 9 and a 7, yes. 9, 7, and 8. Okay. All right. We have all the 3s. 3, 3. Yeah, aha. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 3. We see there 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. We see there 3, no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've marked those 2 boxes with the 3. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Do we have all the 3s? No. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 3. Yeah. All right. So we have 8 in this last column, 8 in that column. So the column between the only place for the 8 should be there. Okay, 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 9 and 7. 9 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this yet. 9 and 7. Okay, 2, 9, 7. 9, 7. Here. 9, 7, and the 8. Aha. In this column, 3 missing numbers. In this column, one of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 9 and 7. 9 and 7, we see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. 1 box left in this row for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7, we see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 9. 9 and a 7, we have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright, 1 number left in the last row for the number 5, I believe. No, 5 we have. The 3, no, 3 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing here. 7 is missing. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 7. 4, 8, 4, 8, 7. 4, 8, 7. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Yeah. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. Okay. How about those two numbers in this middle row for the numbers 2 and 4? 2 and 4 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. All right, 4, 4. 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. 8, the 7, and the 6 should be there. All right, 6 in this row. Wait. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there in the third column. We see here 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. All right. 9, 8, and a 7. 9, 8, and a 7. 8 and a 7. I cannot fill this yet. All right. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here. Oh, there, we see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be a 6. All right, 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there, we see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 6. All right, and how about the 2? And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 2. All right. 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers 9 and 4. 9 and 4, 9 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 9 goes there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here. Or there, we see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 5, number 4. All right. 2 numbers left in this first row for the numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this big square for number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for number 7 and 8. 7 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also 7 and 8 are missing in this row. And look, we have a 7 here. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Now we have a 7 here. So this box cannot be a 7 anymore in this big square. So this should be an 8. Now we have 8 here. So this box cannot be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 7. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 and a 9. 7 and a 9. We have a 9 here. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 9 in this column. 9 in the first column. So the column between the second column. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 in this third column. 1 in the first column, so the column between. The only place for the 1 should be there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Look, we have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes again. All right. 4 stars? No, I give this really a 1 star. 1 or 2 stars? Well, let me give this a 1 star. Because at 4 stars, a Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. And I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles. A binary puzzle and a tectonic one. See you then. Bye-bye for now.